Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we're doing a transformation cut on my client who has a lot of breakage at different parts of her head. So we decided to do a pixie cut on her because, as you can tell, that hair is severely broken. So I started out by using my clippers just to take down a lot of that hair that has broken off anyway, and to give her what we call a preliminary haircut to get her prepared for the relaxer phase. You can use shears, you can use your clippers, it doesn't really matter. Either way, the goal is to make sure that you don't aggravate the scalp because she is going to be getting a chemical service. And at the same time, you don't want to cut too much hair, but you don't want to cut too little because at the end of the day, you're going to be relaxing the hair. So you don't want to go ahead and over process that hair that's already processed and breaking. All it's going to do is break off even more later on. So after I do the preliminary cut, I went ahead and did her full relaxer. And we also did a color, which is just a demi-permanent color to cover her gray. And then it went on to the haircut. So I did speed the haircut up. You guys have seen me do haircuts over and over and over and over again. But this haircut is the next step of the phase. Now, she does still get a little bit of cutting when the hair is dry, but this haircut is going to basically be the foundation of the style. So she is getting a pixie. Some of you might call it a micro pixie, which it really is. It's less than an inch long. But I also put some of our new super growth serum on her scalp. It is a water-based serum, so it's nice and lightweight, but it's extremely powerful. Now, this serum can be used on the hair whether it is wet or dry. I like to use it on my clients who are wet because I know I'm going to mold her. And then I went ahead and went forward with the mold using our Elite Silk Wrap Foam. Now, the serum itself does not have to go on the hair when it's wet. The reason why I put it on her hair while it was wet is because I know she has a shortcut and I was going to mold her anyway. So that serum will get a chance to really distribute itself throughout her hair, also on the scalp, which is exactly where we placed it. So it does not go on the hair. It goes really on the scalp, you guys. And as I said, it is a water-based serum. So it is very lightweight and it can be used on almost any hair texture. She had something in, I think some of the foam went in her eye and a little bit of water also went in her eye too. But yes, she's okay, you guys. So for the mold, I have adapted this thing where I like to design the front. It seems to give a very soft look when it's time to style the hair. And as you guys know, the mold is the entire foundation of the short cut. Now, she did get a relaxer, but if you guys notice, she still has some texture in the hair. And when I say texture, I don't mean like natural hair. I mean, she still has some of that S pattern, which is really good. That means that she does still have a lot of density and the hair is not super bone straight. Some clients like it super bone straight, which over time it will happen, but I use the very mild relaxer on her. Reason being is, number one, she has a lot going on with her hair. And number two, I still wanted to protect some of that density that she already had. Now, for her mold, if you guys notice the nape of her neck, it did kind of scrunch up from her moving her head around naturally, just doing what we do as humans. Now, the way to alleviate this beforehand is you can use gel when you are in the mold phase. And by using that gel, it keeps the hair down and it keeps it nice and flat, so it has some tension to keep it nice and flat. In her case, I did not do that, so I'm just using my small flat iron just to kind of straighten it out so I can make sure that while I'm cutting, I have an even playing field. And sometimes when the hair is scrunched up like this, it's very complicated for you to get an even cut. And sometimes you'll even cut more than you're supposed to because that hair is sticking out. So that's another reason why I'm just going through and straightening out that area so that I can cut her the right way and not take too much hair off. So now we're just finishing up the haircut and doing our detailing. Detailing meaning around the ears, shaping the nape if they want it round, if they want it pointy, whatever. And then, of course, also removing some of that density in the nape area as well. So for her style, I'm just giving her a quick bump. The good thing with micro pixies is it doesn't require a lot of work. You can even mold your hair and just go with it molded as long as it is relaxed properly and molded the right way, right? And then when it comes on to how she's going to take care of it, I don't like to leave a lot of hair on the sides and the back because I know it can be very difficult for a beginner with a shortcut to take care of. So the sides and the back are typically shorter, and all it requires is that you put a bandana or a whatever you want to use to tie your hair down around the sides and back, and then just tie it in the front. Now, for at-home maintenance, she can use our Super Growth Serum because it is a water-based serum, so it's a lightweight serum. It won't mess up the hair. And she's actually able to use it every single day without worry. If I'm going to do the serum and I have short hair, I would do it more at night, right before I put my scarf on. So I know that when I wake up in the morning, my hair is already, it dries almost within minutes. That serum absorbs really, really well when it comes on to the hair and the scalp. So it really absorbs. So you really won't have any residual serum hanging around. And I know, like with our Goddess Hair Repair Serum, which is an amazing serum, but not everyone can use our Goddess Hair Repair Serum because it is a oil-based serum and it's very heavy on the hair and the scalp, hence the reason why it works so well. But our Super Growth Serum is also a powerful serum, but it is more a lightweight serum for those of you that like to wear weaves, short cuts, those of you that have your natural hair and they want to keep it straight. That is really what our Super Growth Serum is designed for. It is designed for stubborn hair growth. Now, the style itself is finished, you guys. Please comment down below and tell me what you guys thought about her transformation and her cut. Look at that volume in her hair. I appreciate you guys for watching. Peace.